Hi again, it's Lee from Mosaic at ICI Homes, and just wanted to take you on a tour of one of our beautiful move-in ready showcase homes. This is a Juliette floor plan. It has 1,979 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage, and this features a craftsman elevation. Let's go take a look. So here's a view from your front porch looking out at the beautiful water and the fountain and where the gorgeous Mosaic amenities will be. And as we are coming up to the front door, you'll see the wiring. That is for a front door camera. That does come standard in all of the ICI homes here at Mosaic. They are smart homes, so we can tell you a little bit about that as well. And as we enter the Juliette, first thing that I notice is the sight lines out to the gorgeous conservation area that this home sits on, as well as the archways and the detail within your foyer. And immediately to your left, you do have a bonus flex room, study, office with the nice pocket doors. And then to your right, you have your 2 secondary bedrooms, a little nice linen closet there, full bath, and another bedroom. Coming a little further, you can see that the laundry room is conveniently located right off of the garage in the hallway. And wow, look at this nice kitchen that flows right into your dining area, as well as views of your, again, beautiful conservation home site, extended lanai, and large gathering area. We also have tray ceiling in the gathering room in this home. And one thing I would like to point out is that under cabinet lighting does come standard. And your master, some really nice frameless glass enclosed shower, his and her vanity sinks in your bath, and a nice sized walk-in closet that does include shelving. And now my favorite part, this gorgeous conservation home site. You can just hear the sounds of the birds. It's so peaceful and quiet. A nice extended lanai. We do have a pre-wire there for a ceiling fan, and some lighting that you can put out here. So please come by and take a look at this home. It definitely won't last long. Have a great day.